A lot of companies believe they're not ready because they have legacy systems or older infrastructure. But the truth is, you don't need a clean slate to start. Honeywell helps you modernize what you already have. We meet customers where they are and build a roadmap, and then we layer in the right amount of automation at the right place. It's a real fear, but you need to think about long-term value, not short-term costs. Automation isn't just an investment in technology. It's an investment in safety, efficiency, uptime, and smarter data-based decisions. The ROI comes from faster operations, fewer errors, and better utilization of your employees. We know that skilled labor is hard to find. By 2030, 1 in 6 people in the world will be 60 years or older. In the oil and gas industry, the average age of personnel is 56, and over half of these experienced engineering professionals are expected to retire within the next 10 years. That's why we've built tools that make your existing workforce more capable on day one. AI-powered interfaces, data insights, and real-time guidance help someone with 2 years of experience operate like a 20-year veteran. We're closing the gap with smarter tech, not just more training. No one's too behind. Whether you're working with systems from the 1990s or you're paper-based, we've seen it all. Honeywell's strength is helping customers bridge the old with the new. We help you move forward with confidence. Cybersecurity isn't just an add-on anymore, it's essential. Every system we deploy is designed to operate securely in infrastructure-dependent environments. As threats evolve, so do we. Honeywell provides continuous OT security updates to help protect people, plants, and processes. Our automation and AI offerings are the tools of operational efficiency. These high-performing technologies enable repetitive and routine tasks to be completed faster, which keeps your current workforce engaged in the strategic, complex, and innovative work that oil and gas, life sciences, and utilities require. Take our Experion Process Knowledge System, for example. This solution integrates process control, safety systems, and advanced application software in a unified architecture to reduce production downtime. Merging these traditional disparate functions into an intuitive and collaborative view gives workforces time to focus on problem solving and decision making. Automating processes and environments also shows potential candidates that they're entering a workplace that values their time and gives them greater opportunities to foster creativity and idea exploration.